let's check in first. And anything that I'm doing with you today, if you feel comfortable just following my voice, you could close your eyes, and therefore you're using your other senses, not just your eyes, okay? So I'm going to close my eyes because that does help to ground me. I tend to get spacey when I'm looking up in space. So when I close my eyes, I start to feel a little more present in my body. Go ahead and just sense the earth beneath you, whatever you're sitting on, and make sure that you feel firmly attached to whatever you're sitting on. Feel nice and secure. And then if you could place your hands on your lower belly, begin to breathe in a way that you feel the breath moving all the way down your body and slightly pushing your belly out and in. Now I'd like for you to try this same breath, but make a fist with your hands. You can tuck your thumb in if you're able to. Well, actually, I'm not able to tuck my thumb in because my fingers won't stay down. So either way. And then touch your pinkies toward each other and lay your hands back on your lap. And we're going to do the same breath practice with our pinkies touching each other. Notice how that changes the breath a little bit. It might amplify it or make it a little fuller. Let's try one more hand position with the same breath. Take your right hand and place it on this lower belly. Your left arm is by your side. The palm is facing up, almost as if you're serving a dish. And try that same breathing where you're deep belly breathing. So hopefully you'll discover when I offer different versions of a breath, which one is the most grounding to you, or which is the one that you need most today. And they each have slightly different energetic qualities. But this is an exploration. And so if you found that, oh, I really like the one with the pinkies touching, you could try that. Like if you're in the middle of the day and you feel very ungrounded, go ahead and just sit yourself down, do some deep, gentle belly breathing, and touch your pinkies together, putting your hands on your lap. Or if you liked this one with one hand on your belly and one hand out,